today we are going to be fitting this chain here, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to transfer it. I've opened up the lock over here and flip it in here. Okay, that's done. Lift it from here, put it from inside, and take it up straight here from this portion. Once it's in, now this is the point where it's going to climb out. I'm going to rotate it nicely. Okay. And once it's rotated, I'll put it back there. There we go. Got to keep it tight, rolling it in. Okay. And you see this. Now this is the portion that's going to get clipped, and it's one link away. So what I'm going to do is I need to tighten this chain here. It's very loose. And like you see, I got this here. So put the lock here in. This lock is going to go in, and once I set the lock in, then I get to be in the safe place. That's it. See, this lock is in, right? And I've got a clip on that. I need a safety lock. There's a safety lock here. So I'm going to put in the safety lock here, and then I'm going to simply clip it. So that's it. So we've got the chain ready here. All these settings are temporary settings. This thing needs to be tightened there. I need to tighten this one also. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up. Just override it over here. And one thing that is there is you need to balance this portion with this side, right? So, like I see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.5. I got 7.5 there. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.5. So this is going to be the point. That's tight. I'm going to tighten this one here. It's done. I'm going to tighten this nut here. So that's done. Now I'm going to be working on this clutch sector here. What you're going to do is I put some oil here. Okay. That's going to go in. Now I have got a refurbished auto clutch assembly here, so it's all set. And what happens is the shaft here could have a play, shaft here could have a play, and the bearing inside also could be worn out. So that's already been replaced with fresh ones, and this is going to be mounted right here onto these nuts. So I'm going to place this here. There's the clutch line, and that's what I must do. Right. So this is what I have here, and so once this is out completely, now I'm going to put in the nut for that, and the first one is here. This one down there. Okay. So that's placed it straight in here, and I have this pin. This pin is going to be stuck right here, so that I could manage the wire. We have this small clip here. This is going to come right there, so I'm going to fill it up with some grease, because that is the portion where this thing is going to clip in, right? So what we're going to do is chuck it in. This style here. This is going to sit on this clip here. And so I'm going to go through this, and this done. Pull it out from here, and that's my clutch wire side, right? And you can see the auto clutch system touching over there, right? So what's going to happen is, once it goes in, now you see this is touching, right? So what happens is, I'm going to release it up a bit. We're done here. This is a temporary setting, so once the bike gets in motion, that's when we'll be doing the final finishing for this. So as of now, this is the temporary setting of this plate here. There's the black one here, like see, and I'm going to connect it with the horn terminal here, and we should be good to go with the horn. That's the horn, and I've already got my dome ready. So this is ready with the seal inside and the reflector fitted. This is bolted in, and I have this points here. I also have a bulb here. Now this is your speedometer bulb. So I need to check whether it's constant. And finally the bike is ready. So I've assembled every small bit, and that's how it is here. Got the horns connected, number plates put up, the wheel, and I got the headlight working. All the electricals also have been checked. There's the engine area, completely done. And there's the sprocket. There's the chain that you see there. And it's done. Easy guys. So that's a nice successful job. Thank you guys.